2019 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, convenience package, tilt steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.